there, friends. Thanks for checking in at the CZ booth, SHOT Show 2018. And here we have Zach Hine. He's going to take us through to show us everything new from CZ that is being released this year.
Yeah, so we've got a lot of just kind of variations on the theme. So last year, the P10 was really big for us. This year, the only addition to the line is an urban gray suppressor ready version. So it's got all the same great features. You get an urban gray frame, which is kind of a mix between FDE and a light gray. You've got a set of high night sights. Our new night sights are coming with that orange dot in the front, extended threaded barrel, and then it would have an extended capacity mag, so it's 17+1 as long as you're in a free state. And then also on the CZ side, we've got both PO7s and PO9s in OD green. So if you've seen our OD that we did a few years back on the PO7 duty, this is a much more subdued, more, I don't know, laid back OD. I really like the color. It does come with night sights, and then in both PO7s and PO9s. On the Dan Wesson side, we've got quite a few different models. One of them is the ECO in OD green. So the ECO is our officer size gun. It comes in 45 or 9, tiny little 1911 single stack, excellent concealed carry piece, very small light. Aluminum frame, stainless steel slide. It's got an anodized green frame, G10 black grips, and obviously our duty coat on the slide.
Beautiful looking gun.
Probably my favorite Dan Wesson for this year is the Wraith. We had a lot of popularity last year with our Discretion, which is a suppressor ready, had a little different look to it. I like this one a lot better even. A little bit of distress going on to the duty coat, so it's a stainless steel gun. It gets our black duty coat, and it gets just a little bit of wear to it. So it's not distressed like a lot of guns are. It's just got a hint of it. A lot of different features, forward serrations. You've got a mag well, high night sights that are stacked trim dots, extended threaded barrel. It comes in 9.45 or 10 millimeter. I'm a huge fan of 10 mil, and basically everything on it's blacked out. This is the gun I'm going to be buying.
What's the MSRP on that?
They start at $20.77, and then the 10 mil is $23. It just takes a little bit more work.
That makes sense. You got to build it up more.
Yeah. So we're going to make a jump up here. So this is a purpose-built turkey shotgun. So typically when you think of a turkey gun, you think of a camo pump. Basically, doing an over-under, we allow you to pick two drastically different choke tubes. So you can pick one that's really wide open, you can pick one that's really, really tight. That way if a bird comes in close, you can switch over to a different barrel and have a wide open choke. It comes with a Picatinny rail on it, so you can mount a red dot really easily. Polymer camo stocks, basically just short barrels, easy to handle in the woods, and built to slay turkeys. So next on the list, we have a number of guns that we just can't make fast enough. One of the guns that we've never been able to make fast enough is our Hammer Coach and our Hammer Classic. We make a coach gun that has dual hammers, and we have never been able to make them quick enough. We can't bring them in fast enough, and eventually we decided we wanted to do it in a hammerless version, and it makes it just a little bit cheaper, so it's a little bit more affordable. It has the same color case hardening on the action, got faux side plates. It uses our sharp tail receiver, so it slims it down. 20-inch barrels, comes in 12 gauge or 20 gauge, Turkish walnut stock. It's got a hardy chrome finish, so it's not going to rust. Basically a really good quality gun at a price folks can afford.
Why are you saying that you can't make them fast enough? Demand is high for these double barrel?
Yeah, oh yeah. For a coach gun, for a brand new coach gun that carries a warranty, for folks who are doing cowboy action, you've got a brand new gun that has a warranty, that has a good reputation, and it's not all beat up and you're having to fix it up all the time.
Yeah.
So you're able to buy one right out of the box that you can modify and use for cowboy action.
Sure.
So next on the list, this is a Scorpion SBR that's showing off our new a reflex suppressor built for the Scorpion Micro. So this year we have a shorter 4.5-inch version, 4.5-inch barrel version of the Scorpion, and this is a suppressor that was designed specifically to pair with it. We have some law enforcement contracts that have asked for tiny little scorpions that are suppressed. So with this reflex can, we're able to achieve in a small package much greater suppression than most of those micro suppressors out there. So you end up having a 2-inch reflex. So the muzzle is here, but this first blast chamber goes all the way back to where the action is. So you gain a huge amount of space where the gases can expand when they first come out. So when you talk about another comparable suppressor that might be, you know, about that length, you're actually getting 10 decibels greater reduction in muzzle blows. So very compact package. It's titanium. It's fully welded. It's very simple. It basically is the suppressor version of the Scorpion. It is dead simple, dead reliable, and just robust. So the next on the list. Guys, can I steal that real quick? We're doing a video. No, thank you. So the next on the list is a barrel set that we're selling for our 455 rimfire platform. So our 455 platform, we do it in 22, 17 HMR, and 22 Win Mag, and they all have interchangeable barrels. It takes less than 5 minutes. You swap out the barrels. You can go from a varmint to an American. You could put a short threaded, whatever. This barrel set is integrally suppressed. So we have a cutaway here to show you how that works. We start with either our 20-inch or our 16-inch varmint barrel, hollow it out, thread it, and then we have these patented baffles that screw down in it, and you're able to space them at different lengths. And so we have a tool that allows you to space them at kind of a factory setting, or you can choose to put them however you like. Aluminum baffles, uses a factory barrel. It does. And when you take one of these varmint barrels and you hollow that all out, not only does it make this barrel shorter and stiffer, it makes the barrel more accurate, it also takes a ton of weight out of here. So you end up with a gun that's much more balanced. The best part about these is the barrel itself as a kit. Everything you need, just slap it on a gun you already own for $3.99. You can get it in 20-inch, you can get it in a 16.5-inch, you can get it in 22 long rifle or 17 HMR. And the 17 HMR is one of my favorites. We're able to actually get it down to 117 decibels, which hearing safe is 140, and you're shooting normal ammo, not subs. And it's downright impressive. So that's one of my favorite things this year.
Sweet. Now, are you excited about this new line?
Dude, the suppressor line is probably my favorite thing we've had in a while.
It's killing it. Suppressing rifle integrated.
Oh yeah.
Rifles, that's where it's at.
And there's no better way to teach a kid how to shoot than with a suppressed rifle.
That's a good way to say it.
I mean, if you don't have to put earmuffs on them, you just put eye protection on them. You don't have to put big muffs on them. You can talk with them. Nothing makes a loud noise. It's just win-win all around. If we just didn't have to pay a darn tax stamp and wait for, you know, ages, it'd all be better. So,
well, Jack, I want to thank you. Did you have something else?
Oh, I was going to say, if you want to see any of this stuff, you want to see more products, we got all sorts of stuff. Just head over to cz-usa.com, find us on Instagram, CZ USA Firearms. But yeah, check us out. Thank you,
buddy. Appreciate it.
Yep.
I appreciate you watching, and you guys be safe.